for that shit. Hey, show me up for this shit. Hey, you can't even show me up. I just need
Excuse me. I ain't gonna lie, like you look good for her.
Thank you.
Yeah. You got a man?
Yes.
Damn. Have a good one. Excuse me. You mind if I ask you how old you is?
I'm 20.
Oh yeah, you look good for her.
Thank you.
I just want to give you my my Instagram real quick. For sure. You from out here? Today, same grind. Definitely about to holler at some chicks, but I'm about to go to like the store real quick. But in the process, y'all know I'm gonna be hollering at these chicks, so let's see what's going on, man. The clips y'all just seen was from yesterday, so but you know what we doing, man. Same thing.
What's your name?
Game like Will.
Say it again.
CAMPLIK. Will 30. It's a new account, so don't mind nothing up there. Trash.
I have like one bar, so it's probably not gonna go through right away. But that's right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'll pop up for you.
For sure.
We believe the time has come for Connecticut
All right,
to remove
man.
existing barriers to the sale.
So real quick, like you look good for her.
Me?
Yeah.
How you look at my girl?
I just could tell. Excuse me. I don't mean to bother you, but like you caught my eye, like you look mad good for real.
Thank
You
you.
just walk mad fast.
I do walk.
Why you walk so in your arms crossed?
I'm cold. I'm
You
so cold.
Oh damn, see? Like you ain't wear a hoodie.
Because it wasn't.
It wasn't that cold.
No, it wasn't that.
Yeah.
It was a little hot earlier.
Mm.
Freezing.
Now it's freezing.
It is cool.
So you healthy? You in the healthy section. Mm. You from out here though?
Yeah.
Okay. I live. Yeah. I don't want to hold you up though. I know you shopping. My name Will. What's your name? Sure. Nice to meet you. I just want to give you my Instagram real quick.
Okay.
Sure. You look like you just got done working out today.
I did work out today.
Healthy girl.
I'm trying.
Are you trying to do your
A
best?
little bit.
So it's salad for dinner today or what?
Yeah.
You a salad girl.
I just really wanted to do it.
I don't have serving.
No service?
I have no service in here.
Or that's my Instagram. You know what I'm saying? But like, my name, Will. What's your name?
My name Carla.
Carla?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You too? You from out here?
Yeah.
Okay, for sure. You got Instagram?
No, I do, but I don't really do anything like that. Can I see that, please?
So you want to give me your number then?
Well, listen.
Emotional, damn it!
All right, man, this is a GL Dub tip. I just wanted to throw this in here real quick. Because it was another two chicks right there after I got done talking to the last chick, but I was about to holler at them as I was walking out, but I'm like, shit, man. You know, it's a numbers game, so it's all about racking up numbers or Instagrams, whatever way you contact. But I'm like, man, what if shorty right there see me? I just got done talking to her, and it went good talking to her, or vice versa. What if they be like, wasn't you just talking to her? You know what I'm saying? And they didn't look as good as her. But my advice for y'all was this, right? Like, I believe in being selective. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's where my psychology at with it right now. Like, I talked to who I wanted to talk to in that store. You know, I made my little way around, got what I wanted to get. Don't ever focus on what you didn't get. You know what I'm saying? Don't ever focus on what you didn't get. Because it's a waste of time, waste of energy. And a lot of time, you know, like, I think another way guys think, they think like, oh, you know, this chick that's a 7 is more likely to be down for what I'm trying to do than this chick that's a 9 or a 10. And that's a psychology that's being pushed out here to guys. But I swear to God, you got to swipe your mind to all of that, because you're going to get what you feel like you deserve. You see what I'm saying? So you got to cleanse your mind of that thought and say, you know, it is what it is. If once you build your game, and look, women like selective guys. It ain't nothing wrong with getting the bad one or the older one or the thicker one, and then you see something that look like she look good still, but she look, you know, like she'd be down for what your program. A lot of y'all, again, I talked about easy pickings before in a video. Like easy pickings is a myth. There's no such thing as easy pickings. Like that's a myth, bro. Because as y'all know, the chicks that 6s and 7s gonna do you worse. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna reject you. There's a myth that bad bitches, beautiful women, are gonna always reject you harder, and it's gonna be bad, and everybody gonna see it. It's gonna hurt. Nah, I was just talking to a baddie, as y'all just seen. She was one of the nicest people I just talked to in the store. So y'all gotta change your whole psychology when it comes to women, and y'all gonna see that y'all get way more women, because the ones that 6s, 7s, and shit like that, they're gonna see like, oh, he talking to a baddie right now. She look better than me. I hope he come talk to me, but you don't even got to do all that. Just keep it pushing. You know what I'm saying? That don't mean don't talk to 7s and 6s, but don't beat yourself up if you don't go. Excuse me. I don't mean to be rude or nothing, but like you caught my eye, like you look good for real. You look good for real.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You from out here?
Yeah.
Me too. My name Will. Out here, or where you from? So you born and raised? Okay. But you just moved out here?
Kinda, yeah. I lived and moved back out here.
You like it out here? A little bit. What you don't like about it?
Good question.
Maybe I should say that for the date, but
Everything closed early. That's what I don't like.
oh, so you like things to stay open like 24/7?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you like a night owl?
Yeah.
For
Where
sure.
you from?
I was born in grew up on,
Okay.
but
What you doing at the grocery store?
I'm just, you know, I be shopping sometime.
Okay.
I like fruits and vegetables for real. Yeah, you like fruits?
I was just saying today, I hope I don't run into anybody because I'm not even dressed.
What? This is you rough?
Yes. I
Nah.
was like,
You look good.
I hope I don't, you know.
Nah, you look good for
Thank
real.
you. I appreciate it.
For sure. But yeah, you got everything you need, or you still shopping?
I'm still shopping.
You got a lot of stuff so far.
I know. I do. I know. I just keep.
Yeah,
I don't like to come back.
Oh, so you go like,
go for like 2 weeks
and then yeah, I feel you.
Even if I got a free.
Yeah, for sure. Well, listen, what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite food?
Well, fruit.
My favorite food?
Fruit.
Fruits?
Yeah.
Oh, good question. I like bananas.
You like bananas?
Bananas and mangoes, but they don't have bananas out here.
Yeah, for sure. So, I mean, I'm gonna take that on our first picnic date.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I live over there by like.
Oh, in that area? Okay.
Like I'm a businessman.
What type of businessman?
Like I'm an entrepreneur, so I do like content.
Okay.
Yeah, and I got another side hustle, but you know, it do what it need to do.
Okay.
Yeah, I ain't really the 9-to-5 type of guy, but I ain't running from it either.
Good.
You like guys with 9-to-5s?
I like anybody who has
security. I'm very secure.
Yeah.
That's all.
What type of businessman are you?
What you mean, like
what business do you do?
I think I should save that for when we, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. You gonna trust me? If you with me, you gonna be secure no matter what.
Oh, okay.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook.
I just be shopping.
I said, let him cook.
I ain't overly shopping. No. But you like assessing me right now.
Yeah. Well, maybe that's a alarm to say slow down. I only came to get like a couple things.
You said what?
That's the only candy, get a couple of things anyway.
What that mean?
Um,
You grabbed a lot though.
yeah.
And you say you're not done, which is good. What you cooking tonight though?
What am I cooking tonight?
Yeah.
Good question. Probably steak.
Steak?
Steak and salad.
Mmm.
Yeah.
That sound good.
Yeah.
But yeah, nah. I don't want to hold you up though. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.
Did you get my Instagram?
What's your Instagram?
For sure.
What is it? What? Personal question.
That's not personal.
G.
That's personal?
G.
Hey,
30.
30. Yeah, I'm 30.
Black.
Black on black.
Yeah.
It's hidden.
Huh?
It's hidden.
It's heavy.
That's why it was a personal question.
Yeah.
Oh, I got used to it.
Maybe. What you know about? I'll ask you another time. I'm curious. Dating and life coach for men. Is that what you do?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, interesting. No. Are you sure? That's what you do? That's what you do for real?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
Lifestyle coach first, dating coach second.
Okay.
Oh, yo, that's what we did. It's not good.
What's your religion?
What is it? Black Muslim guy.
I don't know too much about it. But I'm sorry, I'm in a club, so I'll mess with you.
Just show. My father do that.
Okay.
Just show you that.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, don't say you don't look good because you lying. You look real good today.
Thank you.
For sure.
Appreciate that. That makes me feel good.
Hey, I tell you that every day because it's true. For sure. For sure.